Hello friends, myself Tanay Patel. Today I constructed this line follower heater in my robotics class. The kit that I have used is Mindstorm EV3 kit. The components that I have used are one medium motor, two large motor, one brick and two color sensor and many more components. Now let me tell you how it works. I have used two color sensor, one at the bottom and one at the front. The front one is used to detect the ball's color and the bottom one is used to follow the line. First, the robot will follow the line and if the color sensor detects any ball, if it detects the blue color, the heater will hit it to the right side, and if it detects the red color, it will hit it to the red side. Now let me show you a demo. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my video.